You know what I'm saying? What's happening? This your boy Self-Made Street Cars. We here with another video. Got that 2015 Mustang from COPART, you know what I'm saying? Flooded car. Decided to try them out. We in the shop because the motor was messed up. Here it is right here. Yeah, it's messed up. Blown. But we getting it right. Don't even trip. COPART did me bad, but it's cool though. We back. Already got another motor. Already in there. You know what I'm saying? 2017. 35K miles on it. Yeah. 2015 with a 2017 motor. And we already got parts. Big boy injectors. Cold air. Coil packs. Stop playing. Got the tuner too. Bama gonna tune me up. We're gonna be right. Check back with you later.
We hoping for about 470 when we come up out of here, at least 470. We ain't even never started it yet. 5.0 Coyote with sauce. Get this thing running, boy.
She clean right through it.
Come on, bro. Intake, coil pack, spark plugs, injectors, tubes, home tubes. Come on, bro. Tell me you're not gonna do it, bro. I'll probably be getting a little more, bro. I got the ported 302 boss intake, nigga. Yeah. Big boy. These gotta go. Yeah, you already 47-pound injectors. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing. You better fall from it. Oh yeah, because you usually gotta put this on the new one, huh? Down here. Get all the shooting. I'm not organized. Hey, yeah,